Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Daniel are in Dublin. Today I have a very creepy day and I start thinking about everything what's happened around, and I feel like I'm actually in a very deep depressed. Like, I do a lot, I'm enjoying a life, I'm traveling, spending time on the beach and blah blah blah, lots of things. I do whatever you like, whatever I want, and it's amazing, but actually like I feel it's like too much. I don't know about too much of what. It's like too much energy. Like I cannot explain that. We all feel like sad, we don't care, like whatever this, whatever that, and I feel very weird and like basically not happy with everything. And of course I still do my things. I'm driving, I'm enjoying the sun because it's sunny right now, and I decide to just make my mood a little more happy. But actually I spent 3 hours walking around shopping center and I feel completely empty and without any enthusiasm or whatever, and I don't like it. I don't know why this is happening. Like I have some clue because I spend lots of time to listening some documents and lots of theories about this what's happening right now in the world, and the most funny is actually lots of this information is very bad and quite dramatic, drastic, but I don't care, I don't mind. If it's happened, like really bad. And I decided to go for some shopping just to make my mood better, but I did my shopping and I feel the same. Another super queue for my all things, it's McDonald, and I will go to McDonald maybe after Big Mac full of chemicals, super trans fat, sugar and all the bad stuff. I will feel better, but now I just feel like whatever. I show you what I bought in TkMax. I'm not like into oh no, it sounds really bad and tell to someone like about I have a deep depression. Like I feel like that. I never got depression. I don't know how it is, but today is the day when I feel like zombie, like all day. I don't know what's going on. It's not me. I don't recognize myself. I really don't like it. Okay, I show you what I bought in TkMax. I'm in the Arklow Bridgewater shopping center. My favorite TkMax because it's always empty and it's clean and it's nice, and there was lots of big sales. Okay, I start from the chocolate, from the Leeds. I show you I was in Kildare village a month ago and was lots of Lindors. I love Linds. I love because it's sweet, and this is the classic one, the chocolate with chocolate inside. This is my favorite, but also lots in TkMax, many flavors, and it's half kg, really good price, and was also red fancy box, and the same amount, just like I think double pricey. I prefer this one because I will just eat that very soon. Maybe extra sugar make me feel better. I bought pencils, like color pencils in a nice tube with the bicycles, and here it's, you know, sharper, and they are cute because look, they have a Jesus, they are with bicycles, sorry, look. I bought it because for relaxation, for calm down, it's good to have a colors and just do some coloring and relaxing, release the energy. And I tried this, was for €3. Beautiful, nice set. I don't know, I need to try something because I really feel bad and I don't like it. And in a moment when we're not recognizing themselves, it's really, I think it's really bad. I have a t-shirt from New Balance. I bought it because it's like this fast dry, waterproof or whatever, and was cheap as well. I think like €6 or something. I know it sounds really bad, but I feel so bad today. Like nothing's happened to me. I'm healthy, everything is fine, but guys, do you have it the same? Do you have it like that? Because I talked with my friend in Spain, I talked with my friend in London, and they all feel the same. They feel like we have no energy, we don't care about anything. It's like whatever, we are like in hypnosis. Crazy, seriously. I bought shoes because TkMax without shoes it's not TkMax, and I have an Adidas again, but I didn't know this is Adidas because I look for something like for mountain walk, for the rocks, something nice but very light as well. And I saw this Treks and I said, oh, Treks, I don't know brand but looks like technical, and after I saw it's the Adidas. I don't know what's the price because it's no price on this, but they look cool, and I like it. They are very comfortable. Why I can wait actually to wear this one and start walking, because this is what I have right now just kill my feet. It's really difficult for me to buy the shoes. I told this 100 times, because after like 2-3 hours of walking my feet like feel tired, and I start feel each bones and everything what actually make me to do some problem with the walking, and I just need to have something immediately to change because I cannot walk. Oh yeah, this one. I start cooking again because first of all it's safe, because I know we have a social distance, blah blah blah, with this whole situation what happened right now, but we still, I think the biggest issue in a restaurant is still using the proper detergent to clean everything, wash the plates, cutlery and everything. Most of the time when we are in the restaurants happen when we start getting something in our mouth or on the lips, just because of the detergent and stuff like that. Why I don't really want to use any restaurant when food is served on the regular plates. And I bought the cups, but these cups have a lid, and this lid is almost impossible to take. You need to open. You see they are like super, it's something here to close this really well, take out the air, and you almost cannot open that. Why I want this for my soups, for my ramen. I will do like 3 or 4 ramens and have everything ready. I bought 3. I have this two cherry color and 1 green, and this is the same. Okay, I need to open this. You see they look like that. Will be great for food, and it's ceramic. I know it's still plastic here, but I try avoid any plastic stuff. Okay, I bought another chocolate. It's with Baileys inside, because I don't know, I just thinking the chocolate make me happy, but like really I don't know. I don't know even how to explain it. It's like, it's weird. It's really weird. I really feel weird. Maybe somebody put some spell on me or something, because I feel really weird today. Okay, I have a trousers for kite surfing. This one, it's Hurley. I love Hurley. It's absolutely stunning brand, super high quality. And I have another one, the gray one, gray, green, whatever. They are cool because they're not absorbing water. And the last thing, it's like hair and face and body soap. Beautiful smell. I need like big one and have already for like 3 or 4 months. Why I bought this one. Smell amazing, and I will just put to my bathroom when I back home. Okay guys, that's it from TkMax. I will now drive to McDonald, eat in McDonald, and if McDonald is not working for me, nothing will work. I drive to the gate and I realize I didn't pay for car park and I need to come back to pay, and after leave the shopping center one more time. Just quick walk in Britas Bay because weather is really nice. It's sunny and it's windy, but it's absolutely beautiful. I don't really want to go to the beach because there's lots of people there and 2 car parks are full, why I don't want even a risk to go. Also I changed t-shirt and my shorts, but I see the shorts are little too big for me, like little, one size for sure. And the next time I will just go to exchange the size because they are just too big. I love the color. I know what different sizes will be easy to exchange, but even I want to keep this one. They are too big. That's it for today. Thank you very much for watching me and listen my really down mood today. Hope you enjoy TkMax with me and the beach in the Britas Bay. Let me know which of the shopping what I did today is your favorite one, and if you are in the TkMax, for what you mostly go in and what's your favorite there. Thank you very much, have a great day and see you shortly in another vlog.